Hello everyone. Now this second lecture, class 12th physics, chap electric field and charges. Today we will discuss vector form of Coulomb's law. Vector form of Coulomb's law. Suppose this is x and y axis, this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. 2 point charges like q1 and q2 is here. This is suppose q1 and this is suppose q2, and this point is origin, and this charge q1 is separated from origin, means that is position vector of q1 is r1 and q2 is r2. Position vector of q1 is r1 and q2 is r2. If both charges are in same nature, suppose positive in nature, then there will be force of repulsion this side and this side. इन दोनों के बीच फोर्स जो है रिपेल करेगा. दिस फोर्स इज F21. F21 means force on charge q2 due to q1. F21 is what? The force on charge q2 due to q1, and f this will be F12. F12 का मतलब कि फोर्स ऑन q1 ड्यू टू q2. So similarly F12 is the force on charge q1 due to q2, and there is from 1 to 2, q1 to q2, there is a unit vector r12 directed like this, and from 2 to 1 there is a unit vector r21 directed like this. Therefore we can write F12 is k q1 q2 by r square, and there is a F12 is this one. So in this direction this is unit vector r21, we can write like r21 unit vector, means from 2 to a. What is the direction of F12? So from in this direction, means 2 to 1 this side. This is the unit vector, and you will know r12 magnitude r12 and r21 is equal, that is r, and unit vector a is a by vector a by its magnitude of vector a. Therefore, we can write R12, unit vector R12 is R12 by its magnitude, that is R12 vector by R, and R21 is R21 vector upon R. Similarly, so if we put this 21 here, we can write F12 is K Q1 Q2 by R square, and this R21 is R21 by R, vector R21 by R. This is unit vector, this is vector. This R and this R square is R cube. Therefore, F12 is K Q1 Q2 by R cube and R21 vector. Similarly, we can write F21 is K Q1 Q2 by R cube and vector R12 towards F21 is this one and R12 is this one. So towards F21 vector, unit vector is R12. This means this will be R12 vector. We can now see R12 and R21 both are equal and opposite. Therefore, R12 we can write vector R12 is minus negative of R21 because direction of both vector is opposite. Therefore, we can write F12 is minus of F21. This is the vector form of Coulomb's law. In last video, I have given one question to you. I am going to solve that question. What is that question? Question is, there is a square of side A. This is capital Q. This is capital Q. This is small q. This is small q. And in that question, suppose if capital Q is minus, if capital Q is plus root 2 microcoulomb, suppose this point is A, B, C and D, then what is the value of small q for net force on B, that is FB is 0. Now I am going to solve this question. This is the square. This charge is capital Q. This charge is capital Q. And both are positive. This is small q and this is small q. First, what is the nature of this small q? If this Q is positive. If this charge is positive, if Q is positive, then net force on Q, how we can calculate? This is positive, then force of repulsion. This is positive, again force of repulsion outward, and this is positive. So there, here also there is force of repulsion, and direction of this force is outward. So these all forces are directed outward, this one side, this side, and this side. Therefore net force will be net force at this point B. Suppose A, B, C and D. Therefore net force on B will be something. But my question is, net force on B is 0. Therefore Q will not positive. Now if Q is negative, then this is Q, this is Q, this is capital Q, this is capital Q. This is negative, this is positive. Suppose this force is F1. This is negative, this is positive, this force is F2. And resultant of this force on this point is suppose F dash. See here, this capital Q and this capital Q also positive. So because of this both charges, the force at this point is outward, repulsive. Suppose this force is F double dash, and for net charge on B, point B, net charge on point B, net force on B is 0. This means F dash and F double dash will be equal. फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट एफ डैश क्या होगा, एफ डैश कैसे निकलेगा? तो एफ डैश, सपोज दिस इज F1, दिस इज F2 and this is F dash. F dash is under root F1 square F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos 90, because this angle is 90 degree. So this is 0, cos 90 is 0. This means under root F1 square plus F2 square. And see here, F1 is the force between this Q and this Q, and this distance is A. F2 is also the force between this Q and this Q, capital Q and small q, and this distance is again A. This is square. This means we can say F1 and F2 are equal. Suppose F, and magnitude of this F is K capital Q small q by side square, means A square. This means we can write F dash is under root F square plus F square. This means F root 2. Now F double dash. F double dash. F double dash is the force between both capital Q, this Q and this Q. And this we know, this is repulsive force, and this is A root 2, this is diagonal of square. This means F double dash is k q square by a root 2 whole square, k q into 2 by r square. Now compare, we can calculate like this: f dash and f double dash. For net charge at point B is 0, f dash is equal to f double dash. F dash is what? F root 2, and f double dash is k q square by 2a square, and f is k q by a square. This k and this k is cancelled, this q and this q is cancelled, this a square and this a square is cancelled. This means small q, and this is root 2 also. This small q is capital Q by 2 root 2, and nature of this q is negative. Nature is negative, therefore this q is q by 2 root 2. Now in question it is given q is root 2 microcoulomb. Now we can calculate small q. Root 2 microcoulomb is 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and this is 2 root 2. Root 2 cancel out. 1 by 2 is 0.5. So 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. What is the nature of this charge? Then negative to minus sign should be here. This is the answer. Thank you.